everyone, good morning. Welcome to my channel Be Inspired. In this channel I'm going to create some educational videos which help for the primary kids based on the subject Maths. Please encourage me by your share, like and subscribe my channel. Hi kids, welcome to Maths class. Hi kids. So today you are going to deal with the topic word problems. In previous classes we completed addition and subtraction of fractions, and now we are going to solve some word problems. Let's get started without getting waste of time, children. Are you all ready for solving word problems? Yes. Okay, then let me first read the question. A book contains 150 pages. A girl read 45 pages and 25 pages in 2 consecutive days. What fraction of the total pages did she read? See, they are saying that one book is there. In that book, total 150 pages are there. So, one girl, what she done? One day she read 45 pages and the other day she read 25 pages. Now they are asking what fraction of pages did the girl read? So, first let me write the question and then we will solve. A book contains 150 pages. A girl read 45 pages and 25 pages in 2 consecutive days. Consecutive is nothing but today, tomorrow, like that. Just beside, next day, in that way. What fraction of the total pages did she read? So, because these are fraction word problems, so I am writing this step also with the word fraction. Fraction of pages read on first day is equal to 45 is she read, and total how many pages? 150 pages. Now second step, fraction of pages read on second day is equal to 25 pages she read, and out of 150 pages. So what they asked, fraction of total pages did she read. So fraction of total pages she read. So total is the word which we use for plus. So I am going to add this to 45 by 150 plus 25 by 150. As we all know that if the denominators are same, just simply add the numerators. What are my numerators? 45 plus 25. Now add beside 45 plus 25. 5 in the mind, 5 fingers open, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 is carry, 0 will come down. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 in the mind, 2 fingers open, 2 after 5 after 6, 7. So the answer is 70 by 150. We can reduce this into equivalent fraction with the help of 5 table, shall we? Okay. Sorry. 5 table, when you will get 70, we will do division here. 5 ones are 5, 7 minus 5, 2, and 0 will come down. 5 fours are 20. So 5 14s are 70. And 5 table 15 1 will come, 5 3s are 5 zeros. So 14 and 30 will go in which table? Yes. So 2 table, 2 7s are 14, 2 15s are 30. So the fraction is, out of 150 pages, she read 7 by 15th part of the book. We all know how to write fractional numbers. 7 15th of the book she read. Okay. So now we'll move on to the, did you understand, children? Yes, very good. Now we'll move on to the next word problem. Let's see how it is. What should be added to 5 by 16 to get 11 by 16? It is very simple. What should be added to 5 by 16 to get 11 by 16? See, simple thing they are asking. I'll show you in the form of a equation like, for 5 by 16 I should add something, I get 11 by 16. So what we will do, this should go to the opposite side, it will become subtraction. 11 by 16 minus 5 by 16. So how much it will be? We all know that in subtraction of fractions or addition of fractions, if the denominator is same, just simply subtract the numerators. What are the numerators here? 11 and 5. How much 11 minus 5? Yes, 6 by 16. We all know that the answer is 6 by 16. So if you want, you can go further, that is simplification. 2 table will come, 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16. So the answer is 3 by 8. Isn't it easy, children, for you? Yes, no? Okay, now move on to the next word problem. Abhinav read 12 by 65 part of a book in 1 hour and Sohan read 14 by 65 part of the same book in 1 hour. Who read more and how much? See, they are saying about two persons. One boy name is Abhinav and the other boy name is Sohan. So one person read, they both read the same book. Let me write question, I'll explain. Part of a book in 1 hour, and the next person name is Sohan. He also read the same book, but he read 14 by 65th part. Part of same book in same 1 hour. Now what is his question is, who read more and by how much? See, for example, we will not take fraction, we will just go for numbers. Out of 65 pages, Abhinav read 12 pages and we will think that Sohan read 14 pages. So by seeing the numbers, we can say easily that yes, Sohan read more pages because 14 number is bigger than 12. And that is about this first question. Who read more means we said this. Yes or no? Who read more means Sohan read. And how much means what we should do? Yes, bigger number minus smaller number. Now the same way we should do with the help of fraction. Because these are fraction word problems, I am using fraction. Fraction of book read by Abhinav. Because this person read, so that is the reason we written 12 by 65. Now, fraction of book read by Sohan. that is 14 by 65. And now the next answer is, who read more? For that I am writing answer. Sohan read more than Abhinav. And by how much is simply subtraction. 14 by 65 minus 12 by 65. So as we all know that if the denominators are same, just we can simply subtract the numerators. So in this case my numerators are 14 and 12. 14 minus 12 is 2. 2 by 65. So Sohan read 2 by 65th part of the book, means more 2 pages that boy read when compared to Abhinav. Yes, did you understand, children? Everyone? Okay, very good. To avoid coronavirus, stop going outside, stay home, stay healthy. If it is necessary only, please go outside. While going outside, try to avoid crowded places and maintain social distance and wash your hands. So how to wash your hands with soap and water? At least a minimum of 20 seconds you should wash. First you should take soap and then palm to palm you should rub between palms, and then after that between the fingers, and after that focus on your thumbs and rub even back of your hands also, and then wrist. By this you can avoid coronavirus. Thank you for watching.